एवरीवन, कैसे हो आप सब लोग? आई होप आप लोग अच्छे होंगे. सो हियर आई एम with my weekly horoscope for the coming week, that is 19th of July till 25th of July as per your zodiac sign. मैं मून साइन के बेसिस पे प्रिडिक्शंस देती हूँ. अगर आपको आपका मून साइन नहीं पता है तो आप जनरल जोडियक, वेस्टर्न जोडियक से ये रीडिंग देख सकते हैं. ये जनरल रीडिंग है, आप फेथ रखिए, आप जरूर ये गाइडेंस को अंडरस्टैंड करेंगे और अपना वीक प्लान कर सकते हैं. सो ये लास्ट वीक है ऑफ द मंथ जुलाई, देन वी विल मूव टू अगस्त. तो चलिए देखते हैं ये हफ्ता आप लोगों के लिए कैसा जाएगा. यूनिवर्स आपके लिए क्या गाइडेंस लेके आए हैं. मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में टाइम स्टैम्प दे दूंगी, आप अपने जोडियक्स के टाइम स्टैम्प से ये रीडिंग देख सकते हैं. फॉर एनी टॉक्स, पर्सनलाइज्ड रीडिंग आप मेरे फेसबुक, इंस्टा, ईमेल पर फॉलो कर सकते हैं. मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में अपना सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स और ईमेल आईडी दे दूंगी. बिफोर स्टार्टिंग, अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल हिमानी गोयल सोल स्टूडियो फॉर मोर सच रीडिंग्स, and also press the bell icon so that you get the notifications of all the videos which I upload. Share this video with your family and friends so that they can also enjoy the reading, और उनका भी जो भी स्टक है, कहीं कुछ सोल्यूशन चाहिए तो वो ये गाइडेंस देख सकते हैं. तो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं हमारा वीकली हॉरोस्कोप 19 से 25 जुलाई तक का. तो फर्स्ट जोडिएक साइन है एरीज. लेट्स सी एरीज के लिए क्या गाइडेंस है. ओके, एरीज आपके लिए जो कार्ड आया है वो है 2 ऑफ समर, which means this week you might be falling in love or making a serious commitment to someone. So for singles, you might find someone with whom you will fall in love or have a serious commitment. Also, this week is the right week for forgiveness. So if you faced any problems in relationships or issues, best way to heal is forgiveness. Forgiveness is the resolution to your problems. Also, अगर आपका relationship struggle कर रहा है और आपकी बातचीत बंद है, या you're facing challenges in your relationship, don't give up. It can be healed. You should have an open communication with your partner and surely your relationship will be healed. So all the best, Aries. Let us move on to the next zodiac sign, Taurus. Let's see what is the guidance for Taurus. Okay, Taurus, for you the card is renewal, which means you have to review your past and present so that you can make your future bright. Understand what went wrong in past, learn from it, see how your present is going, combined with to make a bright future. Also, this week you need to understand your life purpose, why you are in this planet, what exactly you want in life. Just understand your life purpose and plan accordingly. So all the best, Taurus. Now let us move ahead with the next zodiac sign, that is Gemini. Let's see the guidance for Gemini. Okay, so for Gemini, the card which I pulled is the Empress, which means this week it is time to take action. So whatever you have goals, whatever you have planned, your dreams, it is the time to take action to fulfill your dreams. Also, this week you will be more creative. You will be working on creativity. Also, this is the time to pamper yourself. Go take a spa, or go to a parlor and get massage. Also, this week you will have financial abundance and success. You will enjoy the life of luxury. Also, if you are planning for a baby, this is the right time to plan for it. All the best, Gemini. Now, let us move ahead and check the guidance for Cancer. Kark Rashi, let's see the guidance. Okay, so for Cancerians, we have the card the Hermit, which means this is the week where you need to take time off from all your busy schedules, switch off your mobile, and it's the time for soul searching, introspection. Look within yourself and find out what exactly you want in life. You can find a mentor, talk to them, and understand whether it is related to career or relationship or success or finance. It's time to understand yourself, time to find mentor to understand what exactly you need in life. Also, you might be joining some spiritual classes for spiritual growth. So it is the time to have a commitment to your spiritual growth, introspection, and understand your life purpose. All the best, Cancer. Now let us move ahead and check the guidance for Leo. Let's see the card pulled for Leo. Okay, Leo, for you the card is 8 of Summer, which means this week you need to have a desire to find meaningful life. It's a time to move on, leave behind things or situation which is not serving any purpose for you. You have put on your efforts, but things are not moving. So it's the time to leave behind things which is not serving any purpose and move on. It is the time to choose major life changes in your life. Walk ahead and find the right path, leaving behind things or situation not serving any purpose. This is the time to choose major life changes in your life. So all the best, Leo. Let us move ahead and check the guidance for Virgo. Let's see what is stored for Virgo. So Virgo, for you the card which I have pulled out is 4 of Spring, which means this week you are distracted and you are unable to see magical opportunities. Maybe you are dissatisfied with your life, you are discontented, you are taking things and situations for granted, and you don't know what to do. You're feeling bored, discontented and distracted, which is not letting you to see opportunities, magical opportunities, or you are declining the opportunities as you feel this is not the right opportunity. So meditate and look within yourself what exactly you need in life, because if you are declining the opportunities, you will lose many good opportunities. So this is the time where you need to look within yourself, Virgo, and find out exactly what you want in life. Don't get distracted, else you will not able to see the magical opportunities. All the best, Virgo. Chaliye, next zodiac sign, Libra. Let's see the guidance for Libra. Okay, so Libra, for you the card is Princess of Winter, which means this week you will be very inquisitive. You need to go in detail to find exactly the truth or the realistic idea behind this. So you are very inquisitive. Also, you are very truthful and you are not diplomatic, you are undiplomatic. As a result, you speak truth which may hurt someone. So this is the week where you have the information that can help others, but difficult to hear. Sometimes truth is very difficult to hear, and that person needs this truth, otherwise it is very difficult for him to grow. So you have the information and you need to tell the other person, which is very difficult. So it is always good to speak truth with kindness so that other person understand what exactly you want to tell. So that is the reason, speak the truth with kindness. All the best, Libra. Let us move ahead with the next zodiac, Vrishchik Rashi, Scorpio. Okay, so Scorpio, for you the card is 3 of Summer, which means it is a time to celebrate with your friends. News worth celebrating. Maybe you got promotion, maybe you got appraisal. So you are happy and you want to celebrate with your friends. Also, it can be your friend's wedding or your friend delivered a baby. So that is what the announcements for celebrations. Maybe there is a graduation ceremony. So friends you cherish, you spend time with them, support each other. So it is the time for enjoyment. It is the time to celebrate your success with your friends, colleagues who support you and you support them. So overall, it's a worth relationship. All the best, Scorpio. Now let us move ahead and check the guidance for Sagittarians, Dhanu Rashi. So for Sagittarians, we have the card Eight of Winter, which means you feeling depressed, you are feeling that you are powerless, your self confidence is lacking, which is not letting you to move forward to achieve success. Just remove the negative thoughts with positive. Believe in yourself. Believe that you have the power to achieve anything in life. Believe that you can reach your goals. You can achieve success. Build that self-confidence to move forward. You have what it takes if you believe in yourself. You are not powerless but powerful. You have self-confidence and you know what it is to get going. All the best, Sagittarians. Next zodiac, Capricorn. Let's see the guidance for Capricorn. Okay, Capricorn, for you the card is 10 of Winter, which means the resolution of difficulties. So you have got the resolution of certain challenges which you were facing. So you have a lot of weight lifted off your shoulder. So it is the time to remove the weight from your shoulders and delegate it. The resolution of difficulties. So, your shoulder had lot of burden of the problems, of challenges. So now your weight is lifted off your shoulders because you have got the resolution of your difficulties. It's so easy. You had faced lot of challenges in life last week. You have lot of difficulties. But this week you have got the resolution for your difficulties and a weight is lifted from your shoulder. It is also the end of addiction or codependency. If you are dependent on others or if you are on addiction to certain situations or certain things, this is the time to end those addictions. All the best, Capricorn. Now let us move ahead with the next zodiac, Aquarius. Let's see the guidance. Okay, Aquarius, for you the card is 8 of Spring, which means stress comes from having many things happening at once. So this week you have lot of things happening in your life. Though you are successful in multitasking, but there might be sudden events or changes, too much of things happening that is causing you stress. So relax. You are good in multitasking. Do what is in priority and followed by the rest. So you are facing stress from so many things are happening. You need to relax and see things with the perspective as you are successful in multitasking. All the best, Aquarius. Now the last zodiac, Pisces. Let's see the guidance. Okay, Pisces, for you the card is Justice. So this week you will get justice for your deeds. So it is the time to review each and every details carefully. So what you sow, you will reap. If you have done good things, you will definitely get rewards for it. And if you have used shortcuts or if you have done wrong, you will get the punishment in this week itself. If you are fighting any legal battles, rest assured you will win in the end. Also, you need to take fair decisions for you or your team members because this will, it will be you who will face difficulties. So listen to your instinct and then take decisions because this will benefit your team. All the best, Pisces. It is also, if you are single, you might go for a court marriage. So all the best and thank you so much by everyone for watching my video. I hope this week will bring lot of happiness and success in your life. Keep watching my weekly horoscope. See you next week. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.